Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thanks for 60 subscribers on my YouTube channel. It's really nice of you all. And for this special occasion, I made a new microgame in WarioWare DIY, which I will show you footage of right now.
Bye-bye.
Though since the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, since the 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3, 2, 1. But emulating it on my computer doesn't really do it justice, since my computer can't really run Nintendo DS games at full speed. At least not in Desume, which is the emulator that I prefer to use. So I actually decided to record some footage of it on my 3DS, though since my 3DS doesn't have a capture card, it's just with a camera. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but hey, at least you get to see it running at full speed. I also made a short cover of Lost Woods from The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time in Mario Paint. Also, made in a emulator, since I don't really have any sort of hardware capable of playing Super Nintendo games at full speed. I will have a link to the save file for the game in the description, in case anybody would like that. Same thing for the microgame too. Alright, bye.
P.S. Jefferson forgot to mention that from this point in all his videos will be in 4K, and that soon you will be able to download the stuff he uses in his videos. Well, my rafflecopter is here, so I should get going. See ya. Swa 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 swa.
I'll pick this up and check this out.